Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News, where we trade different. Today is November the 21st, 2020. And yes, you guys can see already that Cardano is in a biased trend. Simply means the market is going higher. Okay, don't let no one else try to persuade you, try to amp you up, fudge you, or FOMO you into thinking that Cardano is going to shoot to the moon. Okay, we're going to give you something more realistic, give you all an idea of what the trap has in store for this particular market in Cardano. But as always, before I do, if this is your first time watching our video, make sure before you go, you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. And as well, you can follow us on our website, HueFinancial.com, and then on our social media platforms, Twitter, Facebook, even on the gram. We are at all those locations delivering to you all content that is beneficial to your psyche. So now you guys can see, being straight with you, you guys can see our expectations from our last video in Cardano back on November the 18th, 2020. We expected the market to go lower in Cardano. You guys can still see the video. It's in our playlist. We're not hiding anything from you because nothing in the world is 100% accurate. Nothing in the world is 100% perfect. And this is just one instance to where that has occurred. We just wanted the trap, it was our expectations to see the trap go a little bit lower in price in Cardano, but obviously you can tell that he decided other things. He went the other direction. And you guys can see right here, let me zoom in a little bit closer. You guys can see right here that the market, following our video on the 17th, the 18th of November, he could not break the price above our restriction area of 11 cents, right? So the market dipped slightly on the 18th and the 19th, but it was yesterday, the 20th, to which he became successful. That was our indication that the trend has changed, that he overcame that restriction area of 11 cents that has been plaguing this market in Cardano all the way back since October. This was our clue yesterday, okay? So if you are still into the market right now and you were to get out, we'll be down about 26, 27% right now in our analysis and our forecast. Okay. So yes, this particular forecast did go against us on the 18th of November, but we move forward, we learn, and we adjust. So let's get rid of this. And like I told you, you guys can see how he has broken this restriction line. So as always, let's erase the canvas. Let's take a look at what has occurred and revise what he is going to do going into the future. So let's get rid of this. The market is not holding the market captive at 11 cents no more. So we can move this now because the market is trading in Cardano at 13 cents. Okay. So where do you think we need to put the market restriction at in Cardano? What do you think? Let's take a look at this market in Cardano real quick on a further out in time price chart. So looking at the market in Cardano here, the market has a lot of perspective to continue to go higher in price. No doubt. You guys can see I'm focusing on this area right here to see some more selling coming to the market. Okay, so it's about 13.5 to 14 cents that we can actually see the market in Cardano find some restriction. Literally. Okay. Now the spread that we're getting on this 3-day time frame, it's pretty massive. We haven't seen this much spread in a price bar since the last 3-day bar back in September the 3rd, 2020. So this market, the trap is showing us that he has some legs, that he still has some room to continue to grow and increase in value for Cardano. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this restriction line, this horizontal line, and I'm going to bring it up just a little bit higher, okay, from where the market is trading at. Okay, so right around this area. So let's see what is the percentage difference from 14 cents to where the market currently is trading at in Cardano. So that's still another 7.25% market movement that the trap can go before more sellers will come into this particular space. Okay. And based off this spread, I wouldn't be surprised to see the market try to make 15 cents again, which is another 15.75% movement higher. All those things are still in play right now based off the price movement that the trap has done. Okay. So we're going to hold the new restriction area into the market for Cardano around 14 cents, maybe a little bit lower. Now it's going to be some gyrations. The market's going to go higher. The market's going to go lower. It's not going to shoot straight up there instantaneously. Okay, that's not going to happen. So give it time. Let the market continue to trade. And for the long term, like I said, this area, 12 cents going forward, is support. Okay, so we got two price levels that we have identified. First one is support, 12 cents. Market trap will continue to move the market higher in Cardano as long as it trades above 12 cents now. Okay, that is very positive. Restriction, 14 cents. That's the expectation to which we'll expect to see more sellers entering the market for the trap. That's it. Okay, and also I wanted to show you another thing, that the market trap is still obeying this line. So the trend is still in play for Cardano in the extreme long term, that the market is going to continue to go higher in price because this trend has not been broken yet. So in the grand scheme of things, Cardano is still anticipated to continue to follow this market, to continue to follow this ascending line. Okay. So all of those things that we talked about on this video today give us more reason to continue to expect the market to continue to go higher price, right? Okay. Now looking at the daily time frame, I want to focus your attention in on this area right here, because the market can literally come and tag that area for restriction, which is around 13.5 cents. So we'll TP that area, which is about 4.68% market movement for Cardano. That's where we'll TP the market, or literally that is where we'll bag out at. Okay, but we're going to continue to give it a little bit more room so it can continue to grow. We're going to expect the trap to continue to increase the value of Cardano, and I told you that 12 cents going forward will have to be support, and that's it. This is the new updated price prediction forecast in the market for Cardano. We're here to get in a position. We're here to see what the trap has in store for this market. Now it's your turn. What do you all expect Cardano to do? Yes, our previous forecast was incorrect. This is our new one. We're back in position to gain the profits from the trap. So what do you see? Are we going to continue to go higher? If so, where do you see the market being in the next 3 days? 3 days. Well, will the trap take the market in Cardano? Let me know. Give me your point, your opinion, and tell me your TP price. And that's it. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And again, trade different.